What can I name this? Effect, transition, no matter. We want to learn how to create this on the phone. Can you believe this? Let's begin. Open Kinemaster and go to Create New. Now select the aspect ratio and click on Next. Now go to Media and import your video files. Okay, I imported these two clips. I'll try to match the size of the two videos. But don't worry, you can change the size later again. And guys, pay attention to the place of your subjects in the videos. They'd better be matched too. For instance, if the first clip ends here while the subject is at this point, the second clip should be started when the subject is at the same point. So I trimmed the beginning part of this clip a little bit. Then I guess I should make it bigger a little bit. Okay, I guess the place and the size match. I think if you pay attention to these little things, your clip will end up more professional and more realistic. Okay, when you are done with the place, speed, and the size of the two clips, put the playhead on the beginning of the second clip. Right here. Now capture a photo and save it. Now open your photo in this application, Eraser, or any other applications using for removing background. Alright, I need to repair some parts. Good, I removed the background. Now I'll open the PNG file in Kinemaster. First, I need to resize it and match it with the second clip. Now I'm gonna drag it. The next step is using keyframes to animate this photo. So it should be moving from the point A to the point B. And remember that point A is out of frame and then it enters the frame and reaches point B. So I'll put it out of frame. Okay. And split this layer at the point when I want this photo enters the frame and the movie. Now let's animate this photo. Do it exactly the way I'll do it. But before that, if you don't know how to work with keyframes in Kinemaster, I have a complete tutorial on that. Click on the link above and watch it. Okay, let's continue. In the point A, our PNG image is outside the frame, and in the next point, point B, it reaches the boy who's walking in the first clip. So I'll add a keyframe and drag it here. Okay, I can make it a little bit bigger in order to cover the boy who is walking in the back. And pay attention, point B in the keyframes is just the ending point of the first clip. So let's see the result. Okay, you see? The PNG file enters the frame and reaches the boy, and then the next clip starts. And if you think the PNG file is moving slowly, which I think it is, you can make the duration of the PNG file shorter. Let's check it again. See? Now it is moving faster. Okay, this is the first step. Great. In the next step, we add motion blur effect to make the transition seem more real. So click on Layer, Effect, and select Motion Blur. Okay, here it is. Let me change the settings. Put the strength on 2 and the angle on 12. Good. Then what we should do is to animate the motion blur too. So it should start from the point our PNG file starts, and it should end exactly with the PNG image. So pay attention, the motion blur movement should coordinate the PNG image movement. Good. I want to also add a little bit feather. A little bit more. Okay, so let's animate this together. I'll put it outside the frame. I'll go to the point B again. And add a keyframe for this motion blur. Okay, now let's check it together. Good. Maybe we can reduce the opacity a little bit. Yes, I think it's better. See, very easy and very eye-catching. It's done with the first 2 clips, and this is the result. Now you can add 2, 3 or more walking clips and do the same. And guys, if you like these types of video editing tutorials, please let me know in the comment section and hit the subscribe button. See you!